Welcome to the Logic Kids channel. Today we are going to learn about pink snow. What is pink snow? Pink snow is a special type of snow that looks pink. It happens in places where there is snow during the summer, like mountains. Why does it turn pink? Tiny plants called algae grow on the snow. These algae are usually green, but when they get a lot of sunlight, they turn red or pink. This makes the snow look pink. Fun fact: sometimes pink snow is called watermelon snow because it can smell a little like watermelon. Is it safe? Yes, pink snow is safe to see, but it's not a good idea to eat it. The algae can make your stomach hurt. Pink snow is a fun and magical part of nature. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.